Most people, when they think of snow, they think of obstacles. And yet, great individuals, great leaders, great organizations never see obstacles. Rather, they see opportunity. When I think of snow, I don't think of obstacles. I think of magic. And I look at it this way, that when it snows, each and every snowflake is unique. It's different. There are never two snowflakes alike, just like each and every member of the audience, like each and every member of their team. More importantly, like each and every customer that they serve. When a snowflake hits your hand, it vanishes, as if by magic. And in this day and age, it's important that we be not only ready for change, but the leaders of change. Finally, if you've ever stood in a field after a snowstorm, you know the roads, the paths that were once there, they vanish. They get covered up. They're gone. The great news is that we can carve our own new path. So overcome the obstacles, see the opportunity, and celebrate the magic.